The SUMUP terminal card reader makes it really easy to take payments from your customers and keep track of all your stock all in one place. So let's take a closer look to see what it can do. If you ever need to take payments away from your checkout desk, a terminal like this makes that simple. It has a built-in receipt printer too, which means you don't have to go back to the desk to print their receipt. The entire transaction can be done exactly where you are. And it's durable and drop resistant too, ideal for busier days. Your entire catalog can be stored on your terminal. This means that you can build up baskets quickly and easily. So rather than having to remember the price of each item and key in the number, you can just find it in your inventory. It also makes it easy to keep track of what you have available and what you're running out of so you can restock. Plus, you can use AI to automatically import a list of items from a photo. Take a picture of a menu using the built-in camera, and the items will be automatically populated into the inventory. You can then adjust the items where needed. During the day, with real-time reporting and access to POS, you can see if you're on track to meet your targets. Then at the end of the day, this lets you export your information for easy bookkeeping too. If you'd like more info about this SUMUP terminal card reader, visit us in store, head online, or you can even talk to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.